we are never satisfied with what we have achieved. We always have to do one better. Black and white was cool. Black and white is very stylish. But the world is not just black and white. The world is colorful. Life is colorful, but now see yourself.
This is a story about the future, about love and friendship, and about a brand new BMW, of course. Wait a minute, not this one. No, we need an electric vehicle with Arnold Schwarzenegger in it. No, guys, not this, not a golf cart, come on.
Imagine a story with real machines, beautiful landscapes, lots of action everywhere you look. And true love. I mean, can't you see how happy we were? What a time it was.
Okay, sure, I will. Arnie, in my vision of the future, your BMW can take you to new worlds, virtual worlds.
I knew that's what you were getting to. It's just a bunch of colors and shapes. Show me something soulful, something with character. Wow, didn't see that one coming.
How about this? The way our story should go is that the young woman has found a true companion, a digital soul that thinks and talks and is really, really, really helpful. It's just like your idea of friendship, but in a visionary BMW.
Can you change your color?
Now let's meet the project engineer responsible.
Well, dear friends, meet Dee. But please don't call her just a car. You will hurt her feelings. She likes to think herself as a promise, a commitment, or even better, a companion. Basically, she says she's the best thing since the wheel was invented. Well, she definitely doesn't lack self-confidence, right, Dee?
You bet, Oliver.
D stands for digital, emotional experience. It is our vision of pushing the boundaries between physical and digital perception. D embodies the next level of human-machine interaction, a concept that cannot be simply dismissed as science fiction because it will inspire our Neue Klasse. And what is really important to me is Dee reminds us that you always have to consider both the product and the digital aspect together as a whole. And I strongly believe that you cannot separate software from hardware development. Otherwise, you won't create a seamless digital experience. We can get even more creative with windshields. A newly designed advanced head-up display is just the beginning of what we believe is possible. And it is more than a vision. And I won't tell you all the details today, but we will bring this technology into our Neue Klasse. And not in the far future, not as a concept, but in serious production. And you will be able to experience this in 2025. And remember now, this is just 2 years away. Everything you saw, felt, and hopefully experienced tonight is much closer to reality than you might imagine. Merging hardware with software with AI. Merging virtual experience with real driving pleasure. To create a digital and emotional experience with your car as an ultimate companion. That is the future of a car company. That is the future of the BMW Group. Thank you.